Today I'm gonna do replacing inner tube tire for mountain bike. I hope this helps you. So this is the size of the inner tube that I bought. Ito lang. It's a 1.75 to 2.125. That means it should fit on my mountain bikes, because mine is 26 by 1.95, so it's already there in between. Okay, basically the tools that I needed to install the inner tube for my mountain bike. This one is a tire lever and couple wrenches, and this is size number 10. And a long loose plier and my portable compressor. That's the first thing you do. You have to look at the size of your tire. It should be on the side of the tire. Okay. Let's have this upside down. These nuts. This is for the brake. There you go. It's loose. That's what you use this for. Already losing. And lose this one. Lose it. Okay. You see, if you don't lose this for the brake, you're not gonna pull this one out because this brake will hold it. So now it's unloose. Okay, this is the lever. It's gonna do like this. And lock it. You need to push it. Now I'm gonna look for the hole. Right there. I'm gonna put this hole inside first. So what I'm gonna do, I have this masking tape. I'm gonna take this. The reason why I'm using this tape, so this one's not gonna be able to move. Because without this tape, this thing is gonna move and it's gonna go everywhere. Top it. Now I'm gonna ready to bring back together. Now I'm going to take out the tape. Actually, I'm using electric tape. That's it.